In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your address on Booksy efficiently. This is a necessary action, whether you've recently moved your business or simply need to correct information in your profile. So let's dive right in and make sure your Booksy profile is up to date. Start by navigating over to the Booksy website. This is pretty straightforward. Just launch your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device and type in Booksy's URL into the address bar. Once you've reached their homepage, you'll see options to log in. Grab your credentials, which could either be your email or phone number, accompanied by your password. Go ahead and input them into the appropriate fields. After that, simply hit the Login button. You should now have access to your Booksy account. Once logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll spot your profile icon. It's usually pretty prominent, so you shouldn't have any trouble locating it. Give it a click, which will trigger a drop-down menu to appear. Here you'll want to zero in on either Settings or Profile. Selecting this will take you into the realm of your account details, where you can manage various aspects of your Booksy presence. Next, we're on the hunt for address-related settings, something like business info, location, or simply address. You might need to take a moment to glance over the various sections, but you shouldn't have a hard time finding it. Once you do, you're in the right place to make changes. Now, to edit your address, look for the Edit button, typically positioned next to your current address. A simple click on this button will unlock the fields, allowing you to input your new address. Take your time here, double check the details to ensure everything is spot on. Precision is key. Typed information with no errors will help avoid any confusion for your clients. After you've carefully entered the new address, it's time to save your hard work. Look for the Save or Update button. This is critical because if you don't save your changes, all your edits will be lost. Click it, and rest assured your new information is stored on the platform. Lastly, let's confirm that the update reflects as expected. Refresh your profile or check your appointment details to scrutinize whether the new address appears correctly. It's important to verify this, as any discrepancies could potentially affect bookings or customer directions. And there you have it, a simple process to keep your Booksy account accurate and up to date. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide was helpful. Keep this newfound knowledge handy whenever you need to make adjustments to your Booksy profile.